What is going on, guys? It is Glyn here. I'm really excited because on Monday the 4th of October 2021 we are launching Cached, and it would be awesome to have all of you guys that are watching this video to support this epic new launch. Now, Cached is a brand new cloud-based app which allows you, your tribe, your customers to create your very own membership style video websites filled with videos from YouTube or anywhere on the internet. So these could be your own videos you've got online, or it could be other people's videos. So you literally copy and paste YouTube video links into the software, and the software creates your membership site with a landing page and with a membership style login and sign up page. Now, why have we done this and why have we put together this software? Well, the reason why is because people like myself, other vendors in this marketplace, maybe you yourself, you've probably got loads of your own sites, your video courses, your tutorials on the internet, which are secured with a login, are secured with a sign up page, and you sell them and you make money and you generate a huge amount of profit every single year. There's other people out there that want to create their first course, want to do what we're doing, but don't know where to start. With this software, they can do it by simply copying and pasting other people's videos into the software. And like I said, literally within seconds, a full membership style website will be ready for them to use as either a lead magnet to generate leads for free, or they can sell membership for their brand new site, for their brand new membership style website. So this is Cached. We're really excited about it. We've got traffic built into the app as well, and we believe it's going to go down an absolute storm. And with your help, it really will. So if you could support this one, I'd really appreciate it. We're going live on the 4th of October at 10 AM EST. And if you are on the JV page, you're going to find out all the details about this launch. If you're not, please click the link around this video. It could be underneath or on the left or right hand side, and navigate over to the JV page where you'll find out more information about this launch, including more information about the product in question, and you will find out details about the sales funnel in place, which is a nice sales funnel which is going to provide your customers with additional offers, additional products, additional upgrades, which are they go well with the front end products, and they're offers and upgrades that your subscribers are likely to take up, meaning that you will make a lot more money when you do promote this product. We've also got additional cash prizes as well as a juicy bonus for you guys for supporting this offer, in addition to all the money you're going to make from promoting this offer. And you will find your high converting email swipes and banners and graphics, which you can use to put onto your review pages, onto your sites, however you decide to promote this product. Now guys, do we reciprocate? Yes. Now, if you have seen me on your leaderboard at some point over the past few years, I urge you to support this product, because the odds are I will support you again in the future. Now, I've been promoting people every single day for the past 5 or 6 years, and there's not been a day where I haven't woken up and I haven't loaded up my multiple autoresponders and mailed some of you guys. So if you have seen me on your leaderboard, please consider promoting this one. And you know, I have got your back. I run a no questions asked reciprocational business. Send me your offer. If it's a fit, if you promoted me, if you supported me at some point, 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna hit you back probably harder than you've hit me. So this goes live on the 4th of October. I really would appreciate your support on this one. We believe it's going to go down a storm. I'm really excited about this one. It's something fresh, something new to the marketplace. It's going to be an in-demand product. There's more people coming online sort of since 2020 than ever before. More people looking for ways to make money online, and with their own membership style websites full of videos, full of tutorials, full of any kinds of videos, they're able to have their very own sort of products on the internet. And we know, if you're a vendor yourself, you know yourself that the more products you've got online, the more courses, the more softwares, the more lead magnets, whatever it is, the more money you will make. And trust me guys, your subscribers are going to thank you for promoting this one. So join me on the 4th. Hopefully I see you on the leaderboard. And one other thing I did want to mention, if you do want to supercharge your promotion, please consider doing a review video, a bonus page, or even a pre-launch webinar, or even a webinar during the launch. Now, 9 times out of 10, the affiliates that generate the most sales for our launches have gone that one step further. Haven't just written a 3 or 4 word email. Now, I'm not saying that doesn't work, because I do that from time to time, and that certainly does work. But that usually works depending on the kind of audience you've got, and depending on the kind of offer that is being presented. Some offers need a bonus page, or some offers your promotion will be better with a bonus page and a review video. So you can go into the nuts and bolts. You can actually detail what the offer is. If some of these offers, and I know that I'm only saying this from my own experience, there's certain offers out there that are difficult to promote when you're just writing a 3 or 4 word email, telling people, like a hyped up email, telling them they've got commissions to be collected or there's money waiting for them somewhere. Sometimes that doesn't work. But like I said, a lot of times it does. So please consider doing something a little bit different for your promotion. And the odds are the people that are different, the people that are sort of originators that go that one step further, try something new, do scoop up most sales. So guys, I really appreciate your support. Once again, massive thank you, whether it's today, yesterday, last year, 5 years ago, massive shout out and thank you for supporting us. And hopefully you'll join us on this one. So thanks a lot, guys. Any questions at any time, let me know, hit me up and I will do my best to help you, whether it's anything to do with your promotions for this offer or something else. And hopefully there's something that you can help me with as well, because I'm always up for sort of helping each other out and sort of trading information, if that makes sense, because I'm in here to help you build your business as well as mine. So thanks a lot, guys, and I will speak to you real soon.